Hello friends, welcome back to HMS Aviary. Today I thought of making play stand for my tame birds. So I thought of sharing this video with you guys. Let us see what are materials I used for doing this stand. So I used completely CPVC 3/4 pipes for doing this stand. I used around 15 numbers of 2 feet pipes, 4 number of 1.5 feet pipes, 24 number of 3 inches pipes, 15 number of 9 inches, 8 number of 3-way elbow, 8 numbers normal elbow, 14 numbers T, 4 numbers end gap. Let us see how it will come out. So please watch the video till the end. I used 2 feet pipes and 3-way elbows for making the base of the stand. For ladder I used 3 and 9 inches pipes and couple of T's. So now the ladder is done. I am making a frame to fix ladder and perch. Yeah, perch is done. Now I am going to fix ladder. The stand is almost ready now. Next I have to fix feeding bowl to the perch. So what I did is I made a hole in the end cap and fixed bowl holder ring for keeping the bowl. I am using cotton rope to tie around the perch so that the bird get enough grip to stand on the perch comfortably. Now I am fixing natural wooden swing to the stand so that the birds can enjoy and play. And yes, this is the final look of my bird's play stand. I am very happy with the final output. I was very much eager to see the reaction of my birds after seeing the stand. Initially they were very scared, later they are loving it. Seeing them enjoying, I felt it was worth doing this stand. Moreover, playing time is very important for birds to keep them in an enriching environment to explore good bonding. Perch stand is very useful for training the birds outside the cage, and also it allows the birds to be closer to each other. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any suggestions, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.